Hi guys, I'm here today with my Look Fantastic box. My name's Fawn and this is my channel and it's a happy place where I do unboxings, some reviews, quite a few hauls and I chit chat quite a bit. So if you like that kind of thing, please do give me a thumbs up or even two. Click subscribe and leave a comment. I don't know, I'm feeling a bit daft today, girls. So I'm off to have some blood tests done in a minute because I'm not quite myself at the moment, and yeah, the doc has decided quick barrage of tests done via bloods would be a good idea. And so I've got myself relatively tidy, although my roots are already looking awful, and my Look Fantastic box came. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to get to it. I should be wallpapering today, but I've also hurt my hip. No idea how I did it, but I'm hoping to be able to get on with it tomorrow. Yeah, I'm a bit annoyed about it. Don't know what I did. So anyway, Look Fantastic came. Isn't this a beautiful box? And it says on it, beauty beyond boundaries. And it has, you know, different ethnicities and inclusiveness about it that I really like. I mean, this is a box that I would keep. And it says inside, there is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. I would agree with that. Then inside we get our magazine, the edit as they call it. Again, Beauty Beyond Boundaries with an editor's note and so on, which I'll read later. And then there is what's in the box. So, inside, wrapped up, rip it open. Some people open theirs so gently and I'm just like, I'm like a kid at Christmas. Okay, the first item in the box is by Ahava. I really like Ahava. I hadn't discovered it until I started getting boxes. I love their creams and things. This one is a Dead Sea Mud Mineral Mud Soap. Oh, and it smells nice too. I mean, it's only a tiny dainty size. This is the sort of thing that I keep and I put in the spare bathroom for when people come to visit. Because it sort of makes a joke of your face if you're going to use it very often. But I really do like that. So let's see what it says about it. A purifying soap suitable for use on both the face and body, formulated to wash away dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of its necessary moisture. How to use, honestly. Lather it up in your hands and then massage in. I know I need a magazine to help me through some of these products, but I'm not quite that stupid. Next up is a double-ended brow brush. Double-ended brow brush. Doesn't say who it's by. This duo brush is the ultimate brow tool with a wand for fluffing brows and an angle brush for shaping and filling. I'll open it up and have a look. I don't know if I really need one. So if it's in plastic, I'm not going to touch it. Oh, it's not in plastic, so maybe I shouldn't have touched it. Oh, that is nice though, isn't it? Rose gold and white. But I won't touch the spoolie and the brush end in case I decide to give it away. But that is nice, but I think I've got one and you don't really need two, do you? But let's have a look what it says. It says it's a dual-ended eyebrow brush to help you achieve the perfect brow each and every time. The angle brush works well with both cream and powder to help you create natural brush stroke hairs, while the spoolie end is great to brush through. Yeah, absolutely nothing wrong with that. Oh, it's by Brushworks. There's me saying I don't know who it's by. It's by Brushworks. Okay, next up is a pencil eyeliner. It's by the company Lottie London. And it's called AM to PM. It's a pencil eyeliner with a gel finish to add drama and definition to your eye makeup with a formula that will glide effortlessly over the eyes, avoiding any pull or discomfort. Complete with a retractable sharpener to keep the liner in tip-top condition. Top tip, looking to elongate your eyes and nail a sultry, smoky look, draw a thin line from the outer quarter of your eye heading up to your brow bone and blend with a brown eyeshadow and an angled brush. It's obviously black, so I'm not going to open it. I mean, I have these tiny little piggy eyes. If I put black liner on there, it looks ridiculous. But my eldest daughter does wear black eyeliner a lot and it really, really suits her. So I shall just pass that along. So again, I'm not unhappy to get it. Next is a wee pot. This is the one that we had the sneak peek of. This is the Kristoff Robin hair mask, regenerating hair mask. And in the book it says, a revitalising hair treatment perfect for dry and damaged hair, full of antioxidant and regenerative properties that penetrate your hair and scalp. Protecting your hair, do you hear those birds? Protecting your hair from split ends and breakage, as well as treating coloured hair by restoring pigments to leave it looking vibrant and healthy. I hope this is coming out on the camera. The birds are singing. You know, spring is coming. And the birds are chattering about building nests. And we were watching the other day a magpie flying by back and forth with bits of things for nest building. It's lovely though, isn't it? Sorry, that's not what I'm here to talk about. Anyway, this is the one with the prickly pear extract in it. So I will open it because any hair things I keep, to be fair. Oh, smells lovely. And also vaguely reminiscent of an old-fashioned furniture polish. It's a lovely smell, don't get me wrong, but it's vaguely reminiscent. It just reminds me of, oh, I'm trying to think what it was called. My mum used to buy it. We had a leather sofa and it came in a pot and it was like a creamy yellow colour. And a couple of times a year she'd polish the leather sofa with this. So it reminds me of that, but it is nice. I'm not really selling it, am I? Now the next thing, I could have had one of two things. So here is the page. So it's got 5.1 and 5.2 on it. I have 5.2, which is facial radiance pads. They're infused with ingredients to promote a natural, healthy glow to your complexion. Suitable for daily use, they work to reduce the look of pores and fine lines whilst brightening and smoothing the skin. There's lactic acid in them, glycolic acid, cucumber, lemon peel and licorice root. I don't know how many are in this. How many are in this? Because it feels like there's more than one. No, it doesn't say, but I would say there's more than one in there. Am I being daft? Oh yes, 10 pads. There's 10 in there. They're by a company called FAB, First Aid Beauty. Now the other thing I might have got was a facial moisturizer, again by the same company, infused with electrolytes, amino acids, phytonutrients. I'm really happy that I got this actually, because I've got quite a few moisturizers on the go and I don't have any of these, so I'll give these a go. I could do with sort of brightening up a little bit if I can. Next is a little, well, it's not that little actually, tube by a company called Bloom and Blossom. Yeah, Bloom and Blossom. It is a skin-loving wonder balm filled with a blend of nourishing ingredients to condition and hydrate your skin. Whether you're suffering from chapped lips, dry hands, or have a little one in need of extra soothing, this natural balm can help. Rich in anti-inflammatory properties to protect, condition and treat even the most delicate of skins. Castor seed oil, lavender oil, olive fruit oil, vitamin E and shea butter. That is good. So that's not a sort of everyday slap it all over moisturizer. It's for problem areas. I like that. I don't think I have anything like that on the go at the moment. And actually, as I'm thinking about it, it says keys, phone, wonder worker. Oh, it's saying don't forget it as long as... It's saying don't forget it as well as your keys and your phone. But I was thinking Milo has got like a dermatitis eczema has come up on his wrists, which we've been treating with Sudafed and Sudocrem. Oh girls. And we've been treating it with Sudocrem and E45 creams and things like that. And we get it to go away. And then he goes to nursery and messes around all day and it's back up by the evening. So this could be a good thing to try on him actually. Yeah, pleased. And then last but not least, by Polar. Again, I've heard of Polar. What does that actually say on there? I can't read that, girls. It's the mint on white. It's killing me. Creme Hydration Ice Sauce. It's a moisturising cream with iceberg water in it. You know me, I love a really watery cream, and maybe this is. So let's see what it says. A cooling treatment that will leave your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed, combining 3 active ingredients. This face mask, oh, it's a face mask, nourishes your complexion by warding off dryness and dehydration. Its uplifting scent will also revitalise your senses. So it's got iceberg water in it, hyaluronic acid and Thalassiosieria Antarctica. Okay, how to use. Massage into slightly damp skin after your bath or shower until fully absorbed. So even though it's a mask, you treat it like a cream, like a moisturising cream. And I presume then you could put moisturisers over the top. See if it says anything on the back. No, it doesn't say, you know, this is a step before or an added step. But because they're calling it a mask, I would probably treat it as a mask. So I put a little dibby of this on when I first get out of the shower, then go in with my serums and then a proper moisturiser. If anyone out there knows better, don't be frightened to say, Fawn, you're a dope. But I think that's what I do, because they do say it's a mask and it's absorbed. Anyway, that was it. So 7 items. Get my box up. So the face mask by Polar, and I know Polar are good. I've had a few things from them and they are good. The hair mask, again, I'm happy with that one. The facial radiance pads, I would be really interested to see how these work for me. The Bloom and Blossom sort of, not spot relief because it's not for spots, but for very dry areas. What would be a good way of putting that? Can't think of one. The Brushworks, which, as I say, I already have one, so I'll probably put that in a giveaway. The Ahava soap, which really does smell lovely. And I am, even though I'm saying I'm not going to use it myself, I am happy to have that to put in the spare room. And, you know, then when people come, it's a bit of a treat, isn't it? Spare room, spare bathroom. And then the Lottie London eyeliner pencil, which my girl would be pleased to have. So there we go. There was lots in there this week. And above all, you know, I really, really like the box. I mean, look again at that. Oh, it's upside down. Isn't that a fabulous box? Love it. So let's see what the sneak peek is for next month. It's no sooner here than I'm going, right, what's coming next? But let's have a look, because you always get a sneak peek in here. It's another Avant. Our April box will throw you right into the thick of spring. It's the... It's the Avant Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum is coming. Oh, I love the sound of that. And I'm using an Avant moisturiser on the days when I'm not putting any makeup on. Through the day, I'm adding a little bit of it periodically. I do my normal stuff and then I sort of carry on through my day, and after a few hours, if I think, oh yeah, you know, feeling a bit dry, a little bit more on, because I've been very dry lately, and I am loving it, absolutely loving it. So that I am really pleased with. Anything else in here? Of course, International Women's Day is coming up. That's why it was Goddess in the Rowan Tree box, Rowan Berry box. I always call it Rowan Tree. And then there's information about the people who have produced these items. Some information about PHAs. And get to know the Eve appeal, which... it's a cancer. The Eve appeal is for treating or fundraising for cures for the treatment of gynecological cancer. Never even heard of them. Probably be making a donation. So if anyone else fancies it, the Eve appeal. Let's put women at the front for a bit. So as I say, I'm off to have my blood test done, and hopefully they can find that I am short of a particular vitamin. And that's why I'm listing all it. No, that's what I'm hoping anyway. I don't think there's anything serious, but it's been going on a bit of a while. So I'm happy that they're going to do this. And then we're off to sign our wills, can you believe? We're having a funny period in this house at the moment, and wills and power of attorney seemed like a good idea. At least they'll be done. We can forget about it forevermore. Anyway, that's me. That was Look Fantastic. And I'll be back really soon. And I hope you're all really well. Okay, bye guys.